Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow others to see my recordings on the Uno application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And you click to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the screen. In the general section, you can find the allow others to see my recordings option, and if you want to enable, just click to the next circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.